How to fix always on display not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn on show always. Now open settings, scroll down, click on lock screen and always on display. Now turn on always on display. Turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on always on display or show always turn on from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off no disturb. Open settings, search do not disturb, click on do not disturb, and if you want to do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can always on display not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.